So then I about one woman when I see for Facebook. This woman, she don't look for pikin for 14 good years. 14 good years, my people. Now God come do one for her. She come get belle now. 14 good years. You know, this woman not be small pikin again. She don't come of age, you know. Why I do this video be say, you wey don't lose hope for life. You wey don't lose hope, believe say you not go see pikin again. My dear, hope never lost for you. You look this woman, take get hope. You see, get one when I first see do that day, that one we still born at the age of whether 50 something, I don't know. You know, so you wey don't lose hope, nothing way too big for God not to do. You understand? Because so many people they pass through all those things now, say, you know, born, you know, see pikin born, but God do for this our sister. God will do for this our sister. He go still do for you. Say amen to this prayer. Say amen. Congratulate this woman. It no dey easy. 14 good years. You know what this woman don't pass through. Now only the insult where people go they give her with indirect. Say barren woman, this, that, but God can't do one. God say nobody be barren. God say everybody must carry in your pikin. Now he make God come finally bless this woman. So Mona join me. Congratulate this woman. Mona join me. I happy with this woman. As you happy with this woman, now so God go still bless you. Now so God go still grant your heart desire. Now so God go still grant every pain, everything where you dey pass through for life. God go still do one for you. So join me, congratulate this woman. It not dey easy. 14 good years. Now God come do one for her. Now she come born pikin. You know. So you wey don't lose hope for life. You wey believe say all your hope don't lost. Say nothing for you again. My dear, look this woman. Take get hope. Look the other woman when I first see do that day. Take get hope. God is a miracle God. Is a marvelous God. Is a great God. So the time where you go to the cry, say, oh, God do one for me. Oh, God do one for me. God no go. He go just look you. Because you know go feel choose for him that at the right time you go come answer your prayer. So Mona join me, congratulate this woman. Thank you everybody. Take care. And if you say amen to this prayer, now so God will take grant your own heart desire for you. Thank you everybody. Take care and share this video for me so that people where they look for pikin so that they'll still get hope. If they see this video, they'll still get hope. Say God will do this woman. You go see do the out for them. Thank you.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you never be